Hi guys, hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. It's my last day at home, guys. Your girl is resuming studio tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it because I have a lot of workload, because I'll have a lot of things to do, a lot of things to get sorted. But yes, I'm excited because it's 2020. Yes, the hustling continues. Yeah, but yes, today is my last day, guys. I'm gonna be vlogging all day. Our wardrobe came finally. It arrived 2 days ago, but the person booked to kind of couple them and kind of assemble them is coming today. The person is actually coming around 10 o'clock. Yes, so yeah, so finally the wardrobe is here and I'm so looking forward to kind of put my stuff in the wardrobe. It's been stressful getting something to wear. You know, when your stuff is in a box all over the place on the floor, you can't even figure out what you're wearing because you just cannot, because if they're not in the particular place, you can't decide on what to wear. But I'm so excited. Finally the wardrobe is here, so I'm going to be showing you guys the bits and pieces, them coupling the wardrobe, me going downstairs. I'm also going to go downstairs because your girl have to work as per usual. I'm gonna multitask as well, guys. If you don't know, I am a co-founder of Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK. So Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK is a website where you can find hairdresser, makeup artists, and you can also register if you're looking for a hairdresser job or makeup artist job or beautician, any beauty related services. Okay, so it's called MAB, Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK. So tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm gonna link it down below. Yes, do not say I didn't tell you, because a lot of people have been saying they don't know there's something called Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK, because I don't say it enough in my vlogs. But yes, I'm saying it now. Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK link is gonna be down below. So yeah, let's get started. So your girl is gonna go downstairs now. Everywhere is messy. If I sleep early the night before, that means everywhere is gonna be messy. Because if I sleep late, if I'm the last to go to bed, I make sure everything is tidy up before I sleep. But your girl slept early last night, so obviously the whole house is gonna be in a mess. Oh my god, guys, the boys resume school today. Oh, my husband is calling me because he actually went to drop the kids in school. The little boys resumed school today, but Michael hasn't resumed. Michael is downstairs. Let me pick his call. Hi darling. Why not? I've already woke up. I was busy. Have you finished tidying up? Daddy. Which one?
This one.
No, I don't like that one.
Okay, let's buy it.
What do you want to say?
Daddy, you know the school supplies you got me?
Yeah.
Where'd you put them?
Where did I put them? Oh, you have them with your shoes. You asked where did I
You came back the other day, you left your stuff downstairs. Bolu and Dapo was the one that actually helped you to get them. The last time that didn't help you to buy the stuff.
Yeah, I know, we were supposed to leave them downstairs.
Unlucky. Yeah, so we're gonna go downstairs now. We're still buying bits and pieces for the house, because guys, this house is gonna take forever for it to be ready. I haven't bought my side cabinet because I just want to do the wardrobe first before I figure out what to do with the side. And I think I'm changing my curtains as well. I don't know if I really like the curtains. I'll see how everything is looking, because guys, with me, I buy stuff and if I don't like it, I change it. Yeah, so let's go. We're still here to sort these curtains out, guys. Not sorted out. This wardrobe here is for the kids' room. The guy is also gonna be coupling those ones as well. So yeah. Ah yeah. Michael. Yes. Come here. Tell me how to walk. You're not a baby that'll be walking like that. Go and make that room neat. What did I say with the room? Everything will be in the drawer. That's what I said.
In the drawer.
No, let's go.
Okay.
Why are you doing that?
This is how I always walk up the stairs. It's too much effort to just use your actual legs. Everything is neat.
These things in the drawers. Not yours. Put them down. Say the wardrobe is coming. Put on your bed.
Mommy, was it downstairs?
Yes, it was.
Simple, but the thing is, why would you guys put it downstairs if I don't have school today? That's why. It was confusing. What is that?
You need to sweep this floor.
Mommy. She's cold. What's this?
Mommy cannot dance like me.
We're gonna get demonetized.
Why? Why?
For blinding people.
With what?
You're bad dancing. I'm sorry that you had to suffer. What I come in to do again?
We have to tidy up this Christmas
Well, my pencil case.
We'll find it. If you take your time, take this upstairs. The toys. We don't need this here. Take it upstairs. If you start tidying up, then you'll find something you're looking for.
That's not how it works.
The other room so that you can tidy up there. There's no point leaving it here. Even though I delegate some of my work out, my assistant or people on Upwork to help me reply my emails, I like to be nosy, so I keep an eye on their conversation, you know, in and out, what's going on, what's happening, and reply to the ones I feel like I need to reply to. You know what I mean? I'm nosy like that. I can just delegate work or my emails to people and not keep an eye on what's happening, you know. But yeah. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Say it again.
I'm gonna break your picture.
Don't break the picture.
Exactly, mommy. Look at you.
What did you say?
That is for something pound.
What did you say?
I'm saying nothing.
What did you say? What can she do without you?
Exactly.
You know, is it that waiting to paint face?
Yeah. Daddy didn't I say?
But I'm going to teach her.
Daddy teach her how to do camera as well.
When she started,
Michael just wants to make you to feel good. Don't you know how Michael does?
See yourself.
Mommy called this stuff. Mommy is doing this.
To fix the thing. The guys.
When are they coming? What?
When are they coming?
Who's coming?
10:30.
It's 10:30 now. 10:37.
37 already. Where's my phone?
See, like Michael, I did this. You open my, not even care what it is. Daddy. Here they come.
Good morning. How are you? I'll take care.
Here they come.
I want to remove your shirt.
Our wardrobe is gonna be fixed.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where we go? Upstairs. Upstairs we go.
Hello, morning.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Finally. Morning, how are you?
Happy New Year.
Same to you. Guys, finally, they're already here. I'm so excited. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. This one, and I see how fun. Why are you eating my bread?
It's not your bread. Oh my God. It's not your bread. This I've already eaten before you went out.
How can I eat? Do you think I can eat like that?
It's not supposed to go inside.
You're supposed to just come up. Easy.
Oh, thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
But Shishi, I thought you said you are stripping.
Hello.
That is why.
3, 2, 1.
I got this kind of picture exactly in the studio. I'm the one that snap it.
Yes, so guys, I'm gonna give them.
I need to show
Give the workers their food.
Because let me. Is this one? No. Wait.
If you come to my house, you have to eat.
No, I'm coming.
It was so dumb. First of all, look at this guy's second goal. This guy, instead of crossing, he slide tackled.
Oh no!
He slide tackled.
Chichi intentionally blocking the boy, isn't it?
People were like, why is she using brush when she has Uber?
Yeah, because she.
When I want to sweep quick, I just use brush for quick sweeping. When I want to sweep. Have you arranged your room?
Yes.
If I want to sweep quick, I go back to this bad girl brush, no Hoover. Because I'm not actually sweeping, I'm just tagging up a little bit.
But the movie made him score 4 goals.
I didn't make them. How is that my problem?
Because I can't see.
How is that my fault?
I'm deliberately going in front of the TV.
There's nothing like deliberately.
Yes, that is. See, you're doing it right now. That is deliberately.
That's not deliberate.
Nobody, because keeper cannot reach that
But
place.
isn't it harder for me to shoot?
No, because you put your console there, you have to make sure your console is there. But it's too big.
Wow, I'm loving it.
There is adapter.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It even fits me, you know.
Why can't we get?
And I can do selfie here.
Chichi, why can't I get 1 mil? Oh, it goes like this.
Yeah,
okay.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I like the fact I can take picture here.
Just 1 second, guys. I have to explain to you something.
Okay.
Because you got drawers here now, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So my idea.
See, we can do selfie here. But the good thing about my things behind is gonna be nice, so it's gonna be showing through.
I didn't know that your thing is going to be nice.
Because I know.
This thing is...
So, I'm gonna make pounded yam. Eat and go and sleep. Only me and Ola is gonna eat pounded yam. The other boys, Michael has already had rice. What did you have? No, he didn't have rice. Chicken and chips. The other boys, Daddy has gone to pick the other boys from school. The other boys would probably eat noodles as well. Yeah. So this pando yam is for 2 of us only.
Today it was so cool.
Hi for you.
How was it?
Sassy.
How was it so cool?
Ah, Chichi, no, I know you missed that time.
What time?
I said that before I come, I just want to see by the yam.
Bob just came back from school. Stop. Go and change.
I can't.
Why did you to him?
I told him that.
Naughty Michael.
I've been trying to. Duff, you don't know what yummy is. So it's...
You can mummy.
But do you enjoy the one-on-one you do with the guy?
Yeah, it was fun.
The man that song with that.
Mind that song. No, not the mind that song, another person. The mind that song is strong.
We can move it. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
No, he said he didn't put it to the wall. We can move it. Isn't it? We can move it anytime.
Yeah.
No, it's fine now.
Person, there are legs. I have to unscrew the legs.
To move it.
to move it because they are stuck on the carpet, you know.
Oh, why do you want to move it? Because the children need...
What about the TV?
The TV is staying here. What do you
It's
want?
not going to stay in front of the heater.
You can stay in front of the heater.
Okay.
Because the children need space to go there.
You know what? Because they are legs.
Okay.
I had to unscrew them.
Look at your drawer underneath.
Use your left hand. You need to do it like this.
Underneath the drawer.
I could open it.
The bottom one. For dirty things, dirty laundries.
Wait. The study wanted to move that there, yeah. Where would you have put the TV then? Want to squish TV over there?
Okay. No, you have to open it one at a time. You open that, you can't open at the same time. So now that will leave there. Let's close that. So close. Two people can open at the same time. Then you can open your. One person have to close their own. So this can open like this. Let me see your. This is for dirty clothes. Open that.
I put it for shoe.
No, for clothes.
No, I'm gonna put it in a penny there. No, you have extra big. You can put shoes like down here.
It's here.
Wow, nice.
This one I was talking about. Be careful, open it. Yes.
It's done, yeah? Thank you. Wow, we have a lot of rubbish there.
It's a lot.
Wow.
Oh, I saw this part.
Guys, it's a long day for us. Finally, we are done. That's the wardrobe, guys. I really love my wardrobe. That's the wardrobe. Let me show you all as one. Ew! Ta-da! That's his one. Guys, you know I'm going to use most of this stuff anyway. I'm going to borrow this stuff and he's going to be left with only this one. So the good thing about this is we have the mirror this side. So you have half mirror here. Look at that. And you have the hangers. There as well. The good thing about this is that we have the mirror here. So, and I have my one the other side here. So the good thing is, yeah, after dressing up here, guys, look at my wall. Jewelries, another jewelry area, sunglasses, belts or whatever. I have not decided yet. I have those, that, a lot of places. And oh my god, look at this, guys. I can pull this out like so, like that, you know, like a tree. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of organize my stuff later on when I finish organizing. Yeah, so yes, that's it, guys. Right now I'm tired. Let me show you guys. I think I'm gonna change the curtains. I don't know. I'm not actually feeling these curtains, guys. I might probably change. I'm gonna put a chocolate one tomorrow to see how it looks. I'll probably change the curtains. Then I have to buy the side cabinet here. I'll buy the side drawers here and there. So 2 side drawers. I'll probably buy the mirror ones, yeah, there. So let's show you guys the boys' room. Yeah, so that's Michael's one. I have to change Michael's bulb. So that's Michael's one. Michael has got this one as well. He has got this basket room. Oh my god, that's what. But do you know what you're putting in each section?
Yeah. Do you know all my trousers?
Oh my god, that
These are my pajamas.
Easy.
These are my trousers and shirt and other things I don't need. And these are my school clothes I'm wearing now.
But for now, don't try to put anything here.
Oh.
I'm going to tell you what you can put here.
No, this one, you can put dirty clothes, yeah. Or things that you can wear.
Don't put anything here for now. I'm going to tell you what. I want you to put your, I want you to buy your glasses, belts to put here.
Books and all this
or
thing.
something. Yeah, because you know what I would say? Put your uniforms under here. You know why?
No.
You're gonna be opening here every day. I don't want to open here every morning. Early in the morning you're rushing. This is why you should put your uniform there. You get what I mean?
What?
All uniforms should go under the drawers under their beds. Look, storage places. So,
That boy, who teach you how to fold clothes?
I don't need. That's the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Michael, come here. Come here. Michael is running. Come here. Oh guys, we're so tired, guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let me know if you like my wardrobe. Okay, do you like it? You like? Bye guys.